Alright, I finished this up like this, and before we begin the rest of the process, just a few pointers. So when we have a surface like this line needs to move in the same direction and be parallel with this line as well. So let me just clear one side of it, and then after we've done one side, we can use trim, then connect them, and then using split, we split them up, and then trim again. So the next point here, this line needs to be over this one according to our detail. So the fact that we made the H and V parameter can help us here. So we go here and select this one, and we can see we have a value towards the V parameter. So I'll hit Ctrl C here to copy this, and then I'll go here and I'll select these lines here, select this one and then this one, all the way to the last one. There we go. And then we go to the other side and select these ones as well. Another one here, and then we go over here, and finally this one. And then I'll hit Ctrl V in the V distance. Alright, so we have another one right here. Select this one, and then Ctrl V again, like this. So now the lines that we have here run through and above the other horizontal lines that we have. And now we can create a beautiful detailing this way. Alright, and after we've done this, we need to make these connections that we have here in detailing. So if you have the CAD file for it, it can be a lot easier, but it's fine if you don't. So you can just create it in the CAD file itself and then use it in the Revits. And there are multiple reasons for this. The most important one being that 2D drafting is done much easier and better in the AutoCAD file. And you can manage it much easier, which isn't the case for the Revit file. So after saying that, we go here and we'll select the plan that we have here. Then we zoom in on it and see what we have here. Alright, we'll select this point and then right click on it, click on mid between 2 points, and then set the points in here and here. So select the middle part and put it under 0 and 0. Then shift plus square, 0 and 0 here, and then enter. Let's see here, type in the list command or ID. Let's try it again. Shift plus square, select mid, then this point here, and then this one. Alright, it looks fine. So now I'll just save this, and then I'll copy the destination that we have, and then I'll go to the Revit file. Here I'll save the project up to this point, and then here open this one and synchronize now. Alright. So open up the file and then new, and then let's select the family. So let me see which one I should choose. Here select metric generic model and then open it. Okay, let's see what is what. Let me just go back to the CAD file again and then type in UN here, then enter. And now put this under meter and then OK. And then just to be sure, we'll just hit a PU here so we can delete anything that's not necessary. Purge all. After that, Ctrl S to save it. And then here, UN again. Put this under meter and then here 2 decimal places. OK here. And then we go to the Insert tab. Here, I'll click on import, then I'll import the CAD file that we have with the meter as the units. And there we go. So let me just measure this real quick to see the height. Okay, so we'll copy this and then we go to the front view, then move this one here. So let's measure this one as well. Then here. edit this one to 0.03, and then move this upwards as the same value. And then I'll go here and select exclusion, and then pick line. I'll go here and select these to draw the shape here. There we go. So select it and then mirror this part. Although just let me select this part as well. Cancel here and then select it again and then mirror. All right, there it is. And after we've done that, just click finish, and then for the extrusion end, put in 8 millimeters. After this, we go here and select this. So let me see what I should change. All right, here type in 0.8 of a millimeter. All right, so now I go to the left view, and then here I'll select this modify tool, then draw this. Then let me just rotate the CAD file for 90 degrees. Then we go to the plan, and then here using the move tool, we go from here to here. After that, I go to the front view, then I'll select the plan again, and then using move, I'll shift this point here towards the up direction. All right, so let me just uncheck this constraint here and check this join, and then move this here. After that, we go to the plan, and then here we'll select the reference tool and draw one line here and another one here. So I'll just name these B for back for this one, and then F for front. And there we go. After that, we go to the back view. Here I'll select the extrusion tool, and then open up the set menu, put this on level B, okay, and then pick line. And then I'll go here and draw the shape like this. There we go. And after that, I'll draw the circles that we have in the middle. After this, click on finish, and then we go here and we'll select this and put the extrusion end on 0.8 of a millimeter. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So after we've done this, we'll go to the back view again. Let me see, then the left view, then we'll select the plan again, and then using rotate, we'll rotate it for 90 degrees. And there it is. And after that, we'll go here and select move. And let's see what the middle part is in this one. Let me just switch to this view to make sure that it's on the middle point. So select this, and then using move, we move it here. And then click on edit extrusion, and then I'll draw these rectangles that we have in the middle. So there is this one, and then this one, and after that we go to the circles in the middle, draw these as well, and then this one as well. So try to keep the amount of sketches as low as possible. You don't need to draw many sketches, just draw this one and then connect it here. And then finish this, and then we go back to this view. After this, let me see, let's go back to the front view, and then the left, select the rotate tool here, rotate this for 90 degrees, and then we go to the right view. Okay, go back to the back view, and then using move, we'll move it this way. So let's just draw this shape in the middle as well. Select to this view, and then all right, let's go back to the plan, select the move tool, and then this one goes here. So we'll leave the rest for later.